Oh my God, what you doing to my rooster? No! Why are you so mean? Oh my goodness. Ah! A chicken just jumped on top of my head. What's your problem? Oh my goodness. What is going on here? Beep, 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 beep. Come on. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, don't jump on my head. Y'all got poop in your feet. Get off. Get off. No. Ew, they got poop on my sweater. Nasty. Y'all got duty. Ah, are you? Yeah, that's right. Get her, Mama. She shouldn't be jumping on me. Better move. I will feed you, but don't jump on me. Y'all just so mean. Calm down. I'm sorry. I've been locked up inside sick. I'm just a couple hours late to feed y'all, and y'all just acting like you're starving. Like you're dying hungry. Hey! Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Hey! Where's my Selkie? Huh? Where's my baby Selkie? There you are. Come on, girl. Come on. Come eat. Come on. Come on, baby.